G'day guys, Jesse here from King Domes, showing you our latest 7-metre King Dome build here in the, we won't disclose the information directly as this is a private client of ours, but we are in mid New South Wales here, the beautiful New South Wales region, building as I mentioned, 7-metre King Dome with a deck extension. So this is our 7-metre King Dome installed package, which is what you see behind me, with the extension in front of it, which is what I'm stepping up onto now. The particular client in question wanted a nice large deck out the front of their dome so they can sit out in the morning, enjoy a coffee, as well as watch that beautiful sunset there as well. This deck in total, this is a beautiful Merbau timber deck with a steel subframe, all concreted in with those nice strong posts there, giving us about 40 square meters of floor space there. Rivaling that with the internal space of the dome itself, giving you just under 40 square meters of interior space, giving you a total of just under 80 square meters of total space in general, which is about the same size as our 10-meter King Dome. What we've done here as well, the client wanted it nice and simple. It's basically just a nice weekender for them. So what we've done is inside, which it is getting dark unfortunately, so the light may not show, so I won't waste my time going in too much. But we've built a nice T-section wall. You may be able to see it from the camera there, on our left-hand side. They're going to place their bed on that side. Where we're looking at right now on the right-hand side, that there is going to be a little kitchenette. Behind that wall is going to be your bathroom area. All of this done by us here at King Domes. The gents here have had a long week getting this up and running. We're just in that pack up stage now, but all this you're looking at around that 60K mark for 80 square meters of floor space. I don't think that's a bad deal in my opinion, but yeah, this is pretty much what we do. This dome here, this particular dome, the 7-metre King Dome, it is our most popular size, especially for the glamping industry, more so the eco resort, but we'll call it glamping for the sake of this conversation. This one here comes standard with our 4 porthole windows, 1 solar extraction fan, insulation, curtains. You may be able to see on the side our lockable door as well. All of that comes standard in the price. This particular formation here, when we design our domes, we use a clock face to reference the positioning of primarily the door in relation to its bay window. Bay window here being the 12 o'clock position, that door being the 10 o'clock position. So it's nice and close to the door itself. So when you walk in, just on your left-hand side is the curtains there, giving you a nice open space behind so that you can maximize that view coming out through your bay window. But other than that, I don't think there's much else to talk about. We've talked about these before. Beautiful, beautiful pieces of kit. I just absolutely love this Merbau deck. I can't wait to see what our client does with it in the near future. As I mentioned, it is for private use, so we will keep details to a minimum to respect their privacy, of course. But other than that, this is Jesse from King Domes with the gents here, giving me a great hand. I'm just really thankful for their help here with building this here. And but other than that, take care. Cheers.